Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a box and wrap the wrapping sheet around it like this. Fold it from the sides in the same manner as we are showing in this video. Follow the same steps. Now follow the same step for the other side as well and paste them using the double-sided tape, or you can fix it using the ribbon like this. So tie the ribbon around it like this and fold it. Now in the between, fix the ribbon and fold it from the other side. Now in the between we will make a bow. So roll the ribbon like this and make a shape and then fix it in the between like this and pull it from both the sides. Fix it like this, cut the extra ribbon and your bow is ready. Next, take a box and fix your wrapping sheet around it like this. So watch the measurements very carefully how we have left the space. Now using the double-sided tape, fix it from the sides. Fold it like this, press it from the side as well and fix it using the double-sided tape. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Fix it on the top like this and paste it. Now take a ribbon and tie it from the sides like this. Fold it and fix it like this. Now in the top, we will fold it and you can make a bow if you want. So here we are making it. Fold it like this and fix it by pulling it out from the sides and it's ready. Next, take a box and fold the wrapping sheet around it like this. Fix it from the sides. Now paste it like this, fold it and then fix it. Now after that, fix it from the other side as well and paste the double-sided tape. Fold it like this and press it. Now after fixing it, fix it like this. Now on the other side, we will follow the same step and fix it and it's ready. Next, take a sheet and the box like this and wrap it. Now from the sides, we will press it like this from the sides and fold it. Now on the top, we will follow the same step like this. Turn the box and again follow the same step for the other ends of the paper. Press it like this and fold it using the ribbon like this. Put the ribbon and then fold the paper. Now roll it and take it till the bottom like this. Now after that, fix it and tie the ribbon from the sides like this using the double-sided tape. Paste it and then take the ribbons and fold it on the top and tie it like this. Fix it in the same manner as we are fixing it and make a bow and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.